Delivery of judgment, item 36, WPC 293 of 2014.
Writ petition dismissed.
Item 37, WPC 136 of 2023.
This writ petition is disposed of with a direction to the respondent authorities to reconsider and determine whether the basic military training or the medical officers basic course would be the basic combatization training in terms of Column 12 of the Schedule to the Recruitment Rules 2010. In the event if the basic military training is considered as basic combatization training, the case of the petition shall be considered for promotion to the post of Deputy Commandant with effect on 29/11/2024. If on the other hand, it is held that MOBC constitute the requisite basic combatization training, appropriate orders shall be passed in accordance with the law. The exercise as directed herein shall be completed within the period of 60 days.
Item 38 to 41, WPC 2252 of 2025 and connected matter.
Writ petitions are allowed.
Right.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
It's a prayer for listing, my lord. Matter pertains to appointment of LP and UP school teachers, my lord. So already 4 weeks has been over, but no, the matter has not been listed. So maybe before BO vacation, my lord, any date, my lord.
6, 7.
My lord. Much obliged, my lord.
In item number 15, my lord, I want to file affidavit in reply, my lord. 3 weeks time may be
Item?
granted. Item 15, my lord. 16. 16.
15. 15 or 16?
16, my lord.
Affidavit in reply. On the prayer of Mr. B. Purkasto, learned counsel for the petition, this matter after 3 weeks so as to enable him to file affidavit in reply.
My lord.
Yes.
WBC number 5784 2025. This is the case of 12 retired headmaster. From 2018, pay has been fixed and they have retired in 22nd. Till the case is not yet listed, my lord.
8 of April.
8 of April.
My lord, it mentions item number 35. The Gangane's counsel is sick, my lord. So
I am for the respondent number 7 in this case, I think number 35. The pending since 2024. I have been promoted to the headmaster, my lord. Till today, they have not released my salary, my lord, as a headmaster, my lord. So there is an urgency in my part.
my
They are
lord, he
enjoying
is
the
sick, my
freedom
lord.
of
Next day may be given. He is sick, my lord. He is sick, so next day may be given.
But there is an urgency, let the matter come, my lord. Let the matter reach, my lord.
No, my lord, next day may be given.
No, the counsel
I
is sick.
insist. I can.
Who is sick? Who is sick?
Dr. Ankit Todi.
On the ground that Mr.
2nd of April.
We have not taken a single death until now, my lord. I insist, my lord.
On the ground that Mr. Ankit, Dr. Ankit Todi, learned outgoing counsel in this matter, is indisposed today, comma, Mr.
Abhishek Talukdar.
Abhishek
Talukdar.
Talukdar, appearing on his behalf, praised for listing of the matter. After 2 weeks, list of. Although Mr. A. Boro,
Correspondence.
learned counsel for respondents, raised an objection for adjournment of the matter, comma, considering that the arguing counsel is stated to be sick, comma, let this matter be listed after 2 weeks.
Much obliged.
1 second, my lord, there is an urgency, man.
What urgency?
But they are not releasing.
Who is
my-
working?
My lord,
Who is working as headmaster?
I'm working as a headmaster by the,
So?
but see, the petitioner is holding the DDO power, my lord.
Ha.
That is why they have not, but the director of the education.
What
as
is
well
the
as
issue here?
IAS also
What is the
directed-
issue here?
My lord,
What is the issue here?
here only for the promotion, my lord. They have
Then-
challenged my.
Promotion.
Then if they are not paying
In the
you,
promotion, my lord.
there is
she
separate
secured-
cause of action.
Yes.
She secured less mark, my lord. I have
Yes, my lord.
secured a higher mark of.
It's all right, but then if you are working as a headmaster, if the salary is not payment, this is a separate cause of action
Any that may be fixed, my lord.
after 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks. Much obliged.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item 8, Lordship. This
Hmm.
matter may come up after due vacation, Lordship.
Item 8.
Yes, Lordship.
Why?
Lordship, I need to go somewhere, Lordship, today.
Huh?
Right now, I have to go somewhere, Lordship.
Why?
Some urgency is there, Lordship.
What urgency?
My son has a football tournament there.
Huh?
My son has a football tournament there.
Very unfortunate. That
Yes, sir.
cannot be ground.
Right now, I came to some other person is deputed there, but
Huh?
I need to take him now, Lordship. That's why, Lordship.
It cannot be ground, sir.
Yes.
Very unreasonable ground.
Any date,
How
Lordship?
old is your son?
10 years, Lordship. Day after tomorrow or any date, Lordship.
On the prayer of Mr.
Yes, Ahmed.
Yesu Ahmed, learned counsel for the petition, list this matter after 4 weeks. 4 weeks.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, please, your lordship. Lordship, in item number 17 and item number 19, lordship.
One by one.
Item, it is a tag matter, okay, 17 to 20, these are,
17 to 20.
they're appearing in 17 and 19, lordship.
Ah,
In this matter, lordship, we have to file our affidavit, lordship. The secondary education has filed the
affidavit in
reply, lordship.
reply.
Lordship.
What is the matter?
Lordship, here the petitioner is praying for granting the graduate pay scale from the date of the joining, lordship, for the promotion of the headmaster, lordship.
On the prayer of MS M. Nirola, learned counsel for the petitioners in WPC 2409 2025 and WPC 2610. No. 5339 of 2025 and 2610 of 2025. Let these matter be listed after 3 weeks, so as to enable her
Lordship.
to file affidavit,
18 and 20.
affidavit
Okay.
in reply. MS
S. Laskar.
S.
Laskar.
Laskar, learned counsel. Item 18 and 19, 20, huh? You just write WPC so and so, so and so. Is
It's already
present.
there, Lordship.
Interim order passed, earlier shall continue.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7, Lordship.
Ah,
Lordship, I am from the respondent Ludmila College, Lordship, and I have taken from the consent, Lordship.
In this case, I am appearing for a petitioner. It is matter of pertains to the non-payment of pension. So if Lordship may fix
The
it.
person concerned account officer is entrusted on election duty, Lordship.
no, election duty is just a while ago. Just a few days back. Why you cannot take that, please?
Lordship, we need some instruction from him, Lordship.
Huh?
Relates to accounts, Lordship, of the college.
What is to be done?
After we need some time, Lordship, to file affidavit, Lordship.
Last time your time was granted.
Knowledge that he was already placed in the election department.
Till election is over, my lord, this is not
Goswami,
proceeding, my lord.
this cannot be just an election to just is happened.
My lord,
This matter was taken up earlier before the election.
my lord, I understand. I said, my lord, I'm extremely sorry, but it relates to.
Or
personal-
Mr.
Yeah, Chetri, Lordship.
Learned counsel for the, Chetri, learned counsel for the petitioner. Next para, Mr. B.D. Goswami, learned counsel for Summation 8. Submits that due to engagement of the officers, concerned officers, public officials, the respondent could not file their affidavit due to engagement officers and officials today in the ensuing election, the respondents number 7 and 8 could not obtain instruction and file affidavit. Disturb therefore phrase for listing of the matter after 3 weeks.
So,
Prayer
Lordship,
not being
please take their,
objected to by Mr. H. Land Council, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks.
date me please, others, Lordship, may not be
Give that at 3
specific.
weeks.
Second week of, Lordship, May. 12 or 14 May.
Yes, next.
Obliged, Lordship.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 1.
Hmm.
Today, this matter comes for mediation, lordship,
Hmm.
but we don't have proper instruction from the petitioners. Lordship,
Miss-
let it be after business.
MS,
S. Laskar.
your name is not there.
Yeah, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. A.
Yes, Laskar, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. A.R. Buya. A.R. Buya, learned
Yes.
counsel for the petitioner. Submits that she may be granted some time to obtain instruction as the matter is listed for referral to mediation.
May I please, Lordship,
You
I
are-
beg to mention item number 34, my lord.
Considering that, no.
Lordship,
Accordingly,
I
that
beg
this
to
matter
mention,
will be listed after 2 weeks in the meantime, so as to enable the then counsel for the petitioner to obtain instruction. Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 34, my lord. Petitioner, my lord, instructed me to withdraw this petition, my lord.
34. Mr.
H. L. Laskar.
H. L. Laskar learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he has an instruction to withdraw this writ petition. It's accordingly, writ petition stands disposed of, closed on withdrawal.
Most obliged.
May I please, your lordship? Sir, I'd like to mention item number 32.
Hmm.
Lordship, this matter may be come after vacation, lordship,
Why?
because the learned counsel SG Borua is not well, lordship. Some medical issue, lordship. He could not come to the court today, lordship.
On the ground that Mr. MS.
Lordship B Borua on behalf of SG Borua.
This is MS.
MS SG Borua on behalf of
On
MS
the
SG
ground
Borua.
that MS H.G. Barua is unwell, Mr.
B Borua.
B. Barua learned counsel appearing on her behalf submits that my friend may be. We have praised for listing of the matter after 3 weeks.
Interim order was there, lordship.
Prayer is allowed. List up to 2 weeks. Interim order passed earlier shall continue.
Lordship, can it be on 26th of April? Lordship, interim order was there, lordship. Must have been.
May it pleases, my lord. My lord, I am praying for some accommodation with respect to item number 9, my lord. Received our pair-hours comments, my lord. I am praying for 1 week time to file our affidavit in opposition, my lord.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I appear on behalf of the petitioners, your lordship. Lordship, this matter was mentioned a few days back for tagging along with a series of similar matters, your lordship. However, it did not get tagged along. Lordship may allow the time, but matter may be tagged along with WPC 3685.
Mr. H. Barua learned standing counsel
Go, ma'am.
appearing on behalf of B. Govel and standing counsel, elementary education.
6
SSA. Praise for it is granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Mr. Mr.
And Sharma.
N. Sharma learned counsel for the. Your name is not there.
Lordship, I appear on behalf of Mr. SP Sharma.
N. Sharma, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. S. P. Sharma, learned counsel, submits that this matter may be taken with
WPC 3685.
3685
Yes,
of
2025.
2020. Let this matter be listed along with WPC so and so.
Deeply obliged.
My lord, with concern of this other parties, my lord, I beg to mention 31. So here, my lord, contacting Lord A.K. Purgas, though his sister-in-law in hospital, that is why he's not prepared today for Arguto. That is why we request fix another date.
2018.
Yes, my lord, this matter is old, my lord. The removal of the service.
Perhaps today is a hearing day.
Hearing, my lord.
If the hearing matters are adjourned, all the adjourned, what's the point of keeping it hearing day?
Yes, that is also right, my lord. But so, if you accommodate.
On the ground that Mr. A.K. Purkasto,
Yes.
leading counsel, arguing counsel in this matter is unwell, Mr. M.J. Barua, learned counsel for the petitioner. Praise for listing of the matter after 3 weeks. Praise Allah. However, considering the matter is pending since 2018, let this matter be listed. Let this matter be listed
After Bihu, my lord.
after 3 weeks. And no further time shall be granted. No further adjournment
Yes.
shall be allowed.
Obliged.
With the condition that no further adjournment will be allowed, huh?
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, in item number 32, I have prayer for 26 April. Lordship, 26 April is Sunday. Can it be on 28th of April? Much obliged.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, this matter relates to a reimbursement of medical expenses. So kindly, matter has been long pending matter. So kindly lordship may list this matter on 7th of April. Much obliged.
Yes. Can it be referred?
Whether kindly list this matter on some other day, your lordship, where petitioner is present.
MS PDAS, learned dissenting counsel,
Second.
secondary education is present. Let this matter be listed after 2 weeks. For referral to special mediation again.
Item 3.
Completely obliged.
Right, please, Your Lordship. My lord, this matter may be referred to the mediator.
Referred.
Your Lordship. Lordship.
Yes. Heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for this and Miss PDAS,
That's
learned
right.
standing counsel elementary education. The secondary education department. Matter has been listed. This matter is listed for referral to so-and-so, so-and-so. Has agreed to learn counsel for the parties that this matter be accordingly referred for mediation. List of who? MS Banasiri Gogoi, then counsel is appointed as mediator.
Anoshiba.
The parties to furnish the requisite documents to the learned mediator. Banasiri, why?
Lordship.
List for mediation. Let the matter be referred.
20.
Let the matter be.
25.
29,
29 April.
29.
April. 21/04/2026. The matter be listed again thereafter.
Leave oblige, oblige.
Yes,
Petitioner.
on the PRC more than item. Again listed for us.
Item 5.
My lord.
Can
My
be
lord, it
referred.
can be referred to.
Ah. Or Mr.
M. Alivan.
Non-counsel and Mr.
7 and 8.
Who is for the state? P.K. Bora, non-stating counsel, elementary education, and Mr.
On behalf of J. Ahmed.
Has agreed to learned counsel for the parties that this matter be referred for mediation. Then we say more than. When?
29 April.
MS? Mr.
I'm obliged.
Imrul Hassan. Mediator Imrul Hassan. Furnish the copy.
Yes.
Imrul Hassan. Mediator.
Number 2 below.
6.
Matter may be taken up in the next week, lordships.
No, we'll refer it.
In the mediation may not be, my lord, settled because.
You try it.
Right.
Try it.
Okay.
If it is not settled,
After vacation,
it will be listed,
Yes.
we'll consider.
Non-population of the service of the petitioner lordships.
Try it.
Okay.
Heard Mr. So-and-so.
Lordship.
Mediator?
mediator to नाम लिख लो.
Just give what's there. Bhaskar Barua, mediator. What is the copy?
Lodge.
Documents.
Next date.
29 April.
Obliged.
May I please allow. Also, we are challenging the appointment of respondent number 6. There is an advertisement which may come to page 24. 24 is the advertisement.
24.
Yes, sir. So it may come to
Is
page.
invited from Indian citizens filling up the post of associate professor,
Yes, sir.
an equivalent, an assistant professor equivalent. You are concerned about
Page 26, Lordship.
associate professor.
Associate professor equivalent, faculty of fishery science, aquaculture. Lordship. Last one. The last date of
Assistant professor equivalent, faculty of fishery science, aquatic animal health management, fisheries resource management.
we are
And
concerned with
aquaculture. You are concerned about this aquaculture.
Aquaculture. Yeah.
Professor, assistant professor.
Assistant professor.
You said associate professor. This is assistant professor.
Assistant professor.
Yes, then
Lordship, the last date of filling the form was 14/10/24, Lordship.
where it is?
14/10/24, page 27, Lordship. Is time not really good. 28, Lordship. Submission of forms.
4 PM.
Yes, 4 PM, 14/1/24, Lordship.
Yes.
We have submitted our form on 10/1/24, Lordship.
10-1.
10/1, Lordship.
Yes, then
Thereafter, what has
are you
happened?
ready?
My lord, I need some time, my lord. Some additional instructions are required. May I pray for an accommodation to them?
No, then what happened? Addendum was issued.
Addendum was
Corrigendum,
issued-
addendum.
Yes, even after 6 months, Lordship. It's on 12/6/24,
Letter, where is the addendum?
page 51, Lordship.
51.
Yes,
Corrigendum.
pursuant to a decision of
The 24th night.
This is,
Academic council with the approval of so and so. Assistant professor, lordship, discipline, aquaculture, new discipline were inserted. Eligibility criteria was changed. Eligibility criteria was changed. 51.
aquaculture, fish
Fish,
biotechnology.
biotechnology, fish nutrition and feed technology.
Ah.
That was inserted eligibility criteria. New eligibility criteria was. Earlier it was only aquaculture.
No. Disciplines in aquaculture, relevant discipline for eligibility has been added.
Yes.
Yes.
This
Fish
fish nutrition and
biotechnology,
feed
fish
technology.
nutrition. Huh?
Fish biotechnology was earlier was not there in the advertisement. It's a different subject. And this fish.
No, that has been aquaculture. It's a relevant discipline for eligibility. They have
Yes.
added some
Added new
discipline.
New discipline
Huh.
regarding the eligibility criteria for aquaculture.
Then
That's it, the respond number 6. Who has been
just
written-
wait.
Yes.
The candidates who applied earlier need not apply again. Application in the above mentioned is only shall be accepted. This was
This was in
in the meeting
12.
academy so and so and advertisement so 11, 12 to the following discipline. 12 October.
12 June. Lordship.
Huh?
12 June, whereas the last date.
It's okay. They have taken a decision. That's why they have not started the process.
Lordship may kindly come to 104. 104 is the decision. Page number.
104.
Thank you very much.
Affidavits.
Yes, they are affidavits. 104. Serial number 6. Lordship. Affidavit, Lordship. The candidates 6.6 Roman 6 Lord. The candidates with masters in fish nutrition and feed technology will be eligible for the post of assistant professor aquaculture, considering the interrelatedness of the discipline and the fact, 1, there is no separate department of fish nutrition and feed technology in the College of Fisheries, Roha, and openness of higher education. Because there is no discipline.
It's okay, up to them. They can edit. Have you challenged the corrigendum?
Original that, Lordship, we are not aware of that college.
Then what can we do?
This corrigendum is also after the advertisement. Lordship.
It's all right. Obviously, after the advertisement, only corrigendum will be seen.
Last date of filling up the.
Doesn't matter. You have no challenges. Have you challenged the corrigendum?
Corrigendum, Lordship, we have not challenged.
Then you have participated.
Yes, Lordship, we have participated.
And you are number 2.
Yes.
You stood number 2
Yes, Lordship.
in the selection process.
Yes.
What is the selection process?
Lordship, may see the results. Lordship. Lordship, may kindly come to page 87, Lordship.
Yes. Assistant professor.
Faculty of Fisheries Science. Name of eligible candidate, last. This is third, Lordship, aquaculture. Avinash Talukdar.
Where
And
it is?
Dhoiti Borwala.
Where it is?
Page 87, Lordship.
Okay. Result notification is this. Avinash, you are
I am Dhoiti Borwala.
Dori Barwa.
I am the only female candidate, Lordship.
Is it reserved for
Yes, it was reserved. One post was reserved for female.
women?
Women, Lordship.
Then Avinash Talukdar.
He is a male candidate.
This is a reserved post.
No, they are not saying which post is reserved.
Then
One post was reserved for women. I am the
Anybody
only
appear-
woman candidate.
anybody woman, any women
There is
has
no
been,
woman candidate.
huh?
I am the only woman candidate.
What does it say? Let us see.
Lordship, I see the advertisement, Lordship.
Ah,
Page 26.
huh?
Page 26. Five, point number five, Lordship. On the side, reservation, assistant professor, total post 3, unreserved 2, reserved for women 1, OBC 1.
Hmm. Total post 3,
Yes,
1, 2, 3.
yes.
That aquatic animal health, fisheries research management, aquaculture. There are 3 posts,
Yes,
unreserved 2,
2 unreserved, 1 is reserved for women.
then OBC, what about OBC?
I don't know how it is. From these 2 unreserved, I think 1 is reserved for women. It is in the bracket.
Huh?
Unreserved 2 bracket, 1 is reserved for women.
No, no, unreserved 2.
Yes,
Unreserved 2 posts.
yes.
One is to be reserved.
1 reserved for women, 1.
Then OBC 1. This
OBC
become
1.
4 posts.
That I don't know.
Here, my lord will see 3 disciplines are there: aquatic animal health management, fisheries resource, and aquaculture. So my lord, petitioner only applied for aquaculture, my lord. But in aquaculture, this candidate was selected, my lord. Avinash Talukdar.
But what about the reservation?
Reservation, my lord, does not specify under which one it will be applied. So one OBC candidate has been selected, so that is fulfilled in aquaculture. One unreserved, my lord, in aquatic animal health management. I have been informed that for fisheries resource management, my lord, nobody has been selected because nobody was found suitable. So it will go for advertisement again. But petitioner, my lord, did not apply in this one, fisheries resource management.
No, I am not eligible for that. I am only eligible for aquaculture. I am applying there.
So this one has to be now
OBC
filled by women
Who is
as per
OBC?
this advertisement.
Huh?
As per this advertisement now, my lord, this fisheries resource management will have to be filled up by a woman.
Then
This is
you
not
have already
specified.
appointed OBC
Yes.
in aquaculture.
In aquaculture.
Then this become
Usually, my lord, as per UGC guidelines,
And
one college, when a college does its recruitment, my lord, all its vacancies are taken together to decide the reservation roster.
obviously.
So here it is Faculty of Fishery Science, my lord, that is a college. So 3 departments within that, any of them can be appointed provided this roster is applied, reservation roster. So this fisheries resource management, my lord, that is still vacant, and now it has to be filled up by a woman.
Then it become unreserved become 1.
Unreserved 1 already selected, and 1
But
under OBC
What
also
you have
selected.
shown is unreserved 2.
Unreserved, my lord. So 1 selected. Next has to be an unreserved but woman, as per this roster, my lord. So that will have to be applied in this one, fisheries resource management.
Lordship, I am the only female candidate in this process. I am the only female candidate. They were selected fit for interview. I am the only female candidate.
OBC also,
But I am
who has
not-
been appointed
I am
as an
unreserved.
aquaculture, is an OBC candidate.
Lordship, he did not have the qualification as on the date of the advertisement.
No, that is not, you cannot say. When he obtained the degree?
That is a totally different subject, Lordship.
Huh?
Discipline is totally different. Lordship will see.
They have added it, you have not challenged that. Why they are saying that he's not, he cannot be appointed as an assistant professor in aquaculture? When they have, by the authority have already added the discipline by a corrigendum which you have not challenged.
That we have not challenged.
But
Lordship,
then you have taken
Lordship, the
you have
syllabus and materials, study materials, which were to be taught,
It's totally different.
It's not a usually, I mean, once they have accepted it and added the discipline, all right, unless you challenge
That
that,
department is not there
huh?
in fisheries science. That is what it is written in the meeting minutes.
Huh.
That department even doesn't exist. That
It's not a question of exist, whether that discipline can be added to a discipline of
Lordship will see the
aquaculture.
net, if Lordship will see the net, there are two different
What
chapters.
net?
National eligibility test.
Huh.
In the net process, these are two disciplines.
Huh.
Aquaculture and fish nutrition and feed technology are two different disciplines.
No, they have added it, which you have not challenged.
That's what we have not challenged.
You have participated without challenging, knowing that it has been added.
Yes, Lordship said we have. But Lordship, how will a assistant professor teach in a department which he have not? Because the syllabus, they cannot make the syllabus.
Huh?
Syllabus is made by the ICAR, Lordship.
It's not a syllabus, whether this can be a discipline.
Yes, these are different disciplines.
Huh?
Different disciplines.
How do you say?
I can say.
Related discipline for eligibility.
Yes.
Fish biotechnology, fish nutrition, feed technology. Yes. After this corrigendum, only selection process was taken.
The selection process started on the date of publishing of the advertisement, Lordship.
Yes. Thereafter, this corrigendum was issued.
You cannot change it like this, Lordship.
Okay. You have no challenge. You have participated without any protest.
Actually,
You have not protested
after-
just because you have not been selected. Therefore, you are filing this writ petition.
Lordship, I was the lone female candidate.
But the Supreme Court says once you have taken the calculate chance, and if the result is not palatable to you,
Recently,
cannot
Lordship,
challenge that.
Supreme Court has also said that once the game of the rules
said-
of the
who-
game,
who said?
rules of the game cannot be changed midway, Lordship.
No, it's not applicable.
Because they have changed the eligibility criteria.
No. That is totally misconceived. They have added this by way of corrigendum, which you have not challenged,
Yes, Lordship.
assuming that this cannot be treated as a discipline of aquaculture.
Yes.
You ought to have challenged it.
That is less of my part. I admit
Then-
that. Lordship may take up on second.
Why?
Lordship, I will have to take some instruction.
Huh?
I will have to take some instruction in this.
What instruction?
Lordship.
I've heard you.
Lordship will give me some time because in second will Lordship may dispose of. 2nd of April, Lordship.
It's exactly when the view of the result of the writ petition appears to be not palatable to you. You cannot take a time.
No, Lordship, I'm not because there are certain judgments, Lordship, but you will have to go through it.
Anyway, not Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. After arguing the matter at some length, Mr.
M. Gogol.
Gogoi, learned counsel for the petitioner, pressed for some time to what?
Lordship, I'll go to the relevant judgment.
Huh?
Lordship. Some judgments, relevant judgment.
To have research on some judgment which may support his case.
Yeah.
Mr. Bortakur. I Bortakur, learned standing counsel,
AAU, my lord, Assam Agriculture.
Assam Agriculture University. In his usual fairness, has not objected to the time sought for by the learned counsel, but Accordingly, let this matter be listed on
Second.
second for dismissal. 040/2026.
Item 11.
My lord, in this case, my lord, the respondent to directly file the affidavit. That
Ah.
is not in record, my lord. We also reply, my lord.
You have also replied.
Yes, my lord.
Why the record is not record? Why it is not in the record?
My lord, it is not take with the director affidavit not record in the court, my lord. And we will
Affidavit
reply.
opposition filed by respondent number 5.
No, my lord, my respondent 2, my lord. That is not take, my lord.
Respondent number 5. Why not? Why not?
I will
You have also filed the affidavit reply.
reply, my lord.
What is the matter?
Regarding the my lord's promotion of service, my service was promotional, my lord. But subsequently, my service was terminate, my lord. Cancel, my lord.
On what ground?
My lord, down, my lord, initially the district elementary division recommended my name, my lord. My service was promotional. In meantime, my lord, one person approached this honorable court for challenging my appointment, my lord. This honorable court directed in initially, my lord, it was passed. Subsequently, that order was set aside and remand the matter director. Director, my lord, the matter remand the district DLC. After taking hearing, remand the matter DLC. DLC recommended my name. My name recommended, and it was recommended my name and directed to the director, my lord. State as a committee, my lord. But when this record was placed before the SLC, my lord, the director passed the informed order. They cancelled the DLC report as well as promotional order. That is my case, my lord.
So that your appointment was interpreted by the court.
No, my lord. It is my appointment was promotional by the government, my lord.
Then somebody has put to challenge.
Challenge.
Then what the court said?
Court said, my lord, initially the service of the petitioner shall not be any, my lord, disturbs, and but it was disposed of. Take the matter before the director, my lord, for hearing, my lord. When the hearing took place before the director.
But your appointment was set aside.
No, my lord. High Court's order, my appointment was not set aside. The remand, only the remand the matter. Stay order that was cancelled, my lord. Vacated. So when stay order is vacated, my services remain, my lord. My services remain. My service is not vacated by the court, my lord, any disturbs, my lord. So now the directors filed their affidavit to reply, my lord. The director filed their affidavit, my lord, and we received, my lord. We reply the reply, my lord.
You have replied.
Yes, we reply.
Then
I'll go on. We will reply, my lord.
say no. You will file. You will file a reply.
Yes, so I'm taking.
Have you filed or not?
We will no.
It is submitted by Mr. H.R.A. Chaudhary.
H. Ali, my lord.
H. Ali, learned counsel for the petitioner. That the respondent director elementary.
Yes, my lord.
Elementary.
Yes, my lord.
Elementary
Yes.
education has filed the affidavit which a copy of which has been furnished to him. However, the same is list of to which he would like to file affidavit in reply. List of. However, the affidavit stated to have been filed on behalf of the Director, Elementary Education, is not tagged with the record. List of accordingly. Let this matter be listed after. No, in view of above, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks. In the meantime, the learned counsel for the petitioner may file affidavit in reply.
Well, date may be fixed.
3 weeks.
2 weeks, my lord.
3 weeks. 2 weeks not possible.
My date may be given. Other will not listed, my lord.
This should be listed. Get it listed, huh? After 3 weeks.
Hello, bless.
Lordship, here in this matter, Lordship, I have received my instruction. I am praying for a week's time to file my affidavit, Lordship.
Lord Mister. Edeka, learned counsel for the petitioner on the prayer of next prayer, on the prayer of Mr. D. Upamani, learned standing counsel. For the 3 weeks time, file affidavit in office.
So after 2 weeks, a date may be fixed.
2 weeks, 3 weeks.
Yes, yes, Lord.
Yes,
After 3 weeks, any day.
Mr.
Estimate.
S.K. Mehdi,
Last week of April. Lord.
learned counsel for standing counsel AG is present.
6th May.
6 May.
Oblige, Lord.
Yes, petitioner was senior, he's eligible for in-charge, but it's not given. Page 35 and 36, my lord, is impugn order. Because, alas, 35 M, annexure M. So when the post is vacant, as an eligible candidate, it should be given, but inspector is given discharge, my lord.
So
When
what's
inspector interned, my lord, next day, 1/2/2025, has given the private respondent the charge.
what
So,
charge?
My lord,
Academic
the
charge.
charge of the in-charge headmaster.
Not headmaster, academic charge.
Yes.
Only academic. What's wrong?
My lord, our case is that, my lord, kindly page 32, kindly see, the persons who has given the charge, my lord, he is contractual. And he received graduate scale only 20. We are graduates of 13. So 10 years, as per requirement, 10 years should be a graduate for head teachers, graduate scale.
Teacher, it's academic charge.
Academic charge, mind I understood.
It's not head teacher.
But they have now delayed this matter to accommodate these persons. 1 year regular process should be taken. Otherwise, indirectly, he is.
See, unless you show that the petitioner is not eligible, I mean the private respondent is not eligible.
Yes. My lord,
he has not been given the in-charge headmaster, only academic charge.
But
This is
in-charge
something
also, my
different.
lord, the requirement should be fulfilled.
Where it is?
My lord, if both the persons,
There is
petitioner and private.
there is no post called academic
I understood.
academic charge.
I understood, my lord.
Then,
My lord, his petitioner is eligible.
maybe.
And
But what eligible for what?
for head teachers, my lord.
It's okay, that is something.
DED.
It's not been given to private respondent.
Private respondent not eligible, my lord. That
No,
is
he
what-
has not been given. He has only been given the academic charge.
My lord, what is cannot be directly given, indirectly this continues, my lord.
Huh.
It should be at least 1 year is passed.
So what is the question of headmaster, post of headmaster? Had he been given the charge of headmaster, one could have understood.
Then, my lord, that should be, they should undertake the regular proceeding, my lord. They hold this and they
Cannot
given this.
compel them.
My lord,
There are
14
so many factors.
and my lord, may I rule says that with effect from receiving graduate scale, he should be considered graduate. He has not received graduate scale.
What
Secondly,
does
he is
it mean? He has not been given the in-charge headmaster. Headmaster is to the inspector of school.
yes. So
Then-
inspector of school likes him and continues like that. He's
No,
depriving
this
and now he
is academic in charge.
My lord, that is I understood, my lord.
Then if you have understood, there's nothing.
My lord, the
That's why I've said, had he been given the in-charge headmaster, you may have some point.
so my lord, at this stage, my lord, he will got retirement. Then
So what can we
my lord,
do?
Article 21 is also there. If
Sorry,
teacher has
sorry,
been
sorry.
eligible, given.
Sir, don't venture into that
My lord,
unnecessary.
this is the prestige issue, my lord. Only he's working.
That is the whole problem. Don't come to the come to us on ego and prestige. Come for justice.
And then, my lord, why he is allowed to continue temporary arrangements?
Mr.
continue?
Borwa,
My lord.
take your word back.
No,
Take your word back.
yes, my lord.
Say,
Yes,
you take it back.
I've taken them.
Not prestige. We don't allow.
My lord, now, my lord, then,
The litigants who approached us
my lord, then
for
they
ego,
should take
ego
instruction.
and prestige.
Yes, my lord. No, my lord, humble prayer at this stage is, my lord, they should continue, end these matters and regular process should be given. Otherwise, my lord, hijack his rights, my lord. That is why, my lord.
So dismiss.
No, my lord, this they would come with instruction, my lord.
What instruction? Nothing.
Please, my lord, friends, please.
We'll dispose it of. Heard, mister?
My lord, then, my lord, I humble prayer at this stage that my prayer is that if regular, it should be take within time the regular process, my lord. Who is giving?
We cannot direct, we cannot compel them to fill up.
No, I take instruction, my lord, otherwise,
What instruction?
my lord, in my judgment is there, for in charge also, he should.
It's not in charge of headmaster. In charge academic. It's a part of the school thing.
Then, my lord, I will amend this, that prayer I should include, that it should come to a logical.
You file an, you draw and file.
My lord, I
fresh
will,
if you are
I will,
if you want to bring on better the
my lord, it
pleadings.
will listen to, I will take instruction.
No.
But that's.
You withdraw and if not, we're disposing on it. There's nothing. See, Mr. One, as I said, one could have understood if the private respondent is given, who may not be eligible to be considered for headmaster under the rules. If he is given, then you may have a point.
Then,
It's a in charge academic, in charge headmaster is given to the inspector of the
I
school.
understand.
Because
So-
there must be some factors which prevented the authorities to fill up on regular basis. So in charge to the inspector of school. It's good, fair enough.
Now, this, my lord, if I may.
If you say, I've gone through a petition, if you want to come up with a better pleadings,
My lord.
after having some research,
So, my lord.
will allow to
Yes,
file
yes.
a fresh.
In case of academic also, if your lordship.
You have a research.
Grant me 1 week's time, my lord. I
Not
will
1
start.
week. If you want to file afresh, we'll allow you to withdraw. We'll give liberty to file afresh and have a better research and come back with a better pleadings.
My lord. Academic also, my lord, is a post. My lord,
Why is it post
your
of
lordship
academic?
is right. Your lordship is right. So I want to develop my case. If
You
1 week
develop
times
it,
by granted.
develop with better pleadings. We'll
Next,
consider.
yes, ma'am.
And Mr. M.G. Barua, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that he may be allowed to withdraw his writ petition with a liberty to file afresh with better pleadings. Huh? MS P. Das, learned standing counsel, elementary, secondary education is present. Accordingly, writ petition stands closed with a liberty as prayed for.
Deeply obvious.
Yes.
Last occasion, my lord, matter was heard, my lord, regarding, my lord, the pay fixation as well as the promotion to associate professor, my lord. Lordship, this, my case is, my lord, in the year 1996, my lord, my client was appointed as assistant professor, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, subsequently,
Very slow. Di dila. তোমার বেশি লোক আছে কোনো দি দিলা
Yes.
Lordship, my instruction is that the matter is still pending in the finance department, Lordship, and we have not received any views from the department as of today, Lordship. This is my latest instruction. And as such, Lordship, we are not in a place to, Lordship, fix the pay of in respect of the petitioner, Lordship.
Same stand.
Yes, from the department, Lordship.
Which difference?
Lordship, unfortunately, that finance department has not been made a party here, Lordship.
well, finance is not required, well, because, well, this rectification is required by the director of higher education, my lord.
See, rectification will have a bearing, consequential bearing.
My lord, problem.
Because once it is rectified,
Yes.
you will not ask for any financial benefit.
No, my lord, that was my lord, lordship, bear some moment, my lord. My lord, what happened, my lord? My promotion is due, my lord, in the year 2007 itself to the selection grade, my lord. As thereafter, my lord, the resolution was taken 2011, my lord, governing body, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, it was, my lord, I filed a writ petition before this honorable court with another prayer, my lord, that was dismissed, and ultimately I filed appeal, my lord. In appeal, directed to consider my case with a similarly situated person, my lord. Thereafter, what happened, my lord, in 2022, my lord, 2011, the governing body sent a resolution to the Director of Higher Education, my lord, for rectification, my lord, and everything, my lord, and for selection grade. 2022, my promotion was given, my lord, 22, my lord. Lordship, this lordship may turn this moment, my lord, page 64, my lord. Page 64. Page 64, my lord. This promotion was given, my lord.
Then
here, my lord, one written, my lord, the principal and principal of the college, she is directed to submit proposal for fixation of pay in respect of the concerned employees of your college, which immovable property return as per so and so. It was, my lord, 19 February 2022, my lord. My lord, this for fixation, my lord. Thereafter, I filed several, my lord, represent before this.
see, you are seeking for fixation of pay.
Yes, my lord. And
As well as promotion.
yes, my lord.
Then?
Yes, my lord. So, my lord, there is my lord, OM, my lord. OM is, my lord, page 87, my lord.
Nay, this fixation would not be required the concurrence of the finance department. They have sent your proposal.
Fixation is, well, it is the Director of Higher Education. And
no, there is a process. What they are saying is that your for rectification, everything there will be, since there will be
rectification is by the Director of Higher Education, my lord. And
if it is rectified, whether you be entitled for higher, I mean, financial implication.
Yes, my lord. That was, my lord. My promotion was given, my lord. This page 74, my lord.
Sir,
my lord, page.
Have you understood what they have said?
I understand, my lord, but it was not required by the finance department, my lord. But page 74, my promotion was given.
See, what they are saying is, once is rectified, there will be financial implication.
Yes, my lord, already it is there, my lord.
Concurrence is required.
My lord, already it's there, my lord. It is, my lord, 2000, page 74, my lord. The effect was given, my lord, from 2007, my lord. The serial number, page 74, my lord. MC 21, serial number, MC College, Dolpathak, my lord, 10/9/2007, my lord. Page 74, my lord. The when promotion was given, my lord. It was, my lord, the page 74, my name is there, my lord. Serial number 21, MC College, Dolpathak, Mathematics, 10/9/2007, my lord. So, my lord, this from here, my lord, I am entitled, my lord, this payment, my lord. The fixation, my lord. Here, my lord.
See, once it is fixed, corrected, there will be a financial implication. They are not saying that it will not be corrected.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. So, my lord, the problem is I am retiring on 31st March, my lord.
So, what can we do?
No, so, my lord, my very simple prayer, my lord, if not they oppose, my lord. My lord, your lordship may direct them to entire the fixation and finance concurrence or whatever it is within 2 or 3 weeks from today, my lord. Thereafter, after rectifying all these cases, the college authority will process for DPC, my lord, and after 3 weeks, my lord, they will DPC will be there, my lord, and DPC will clearing this and entire matter will complete within 3 months, my lord. Because I am retiring 31st, my lord.
So once you are same thing, either with direct debit or not, you are retiring on 31st.
Yes, my lord.
If you are asking, if you want that it should be considered within 3 months, well,
yes, my lord. So, my lord, because I'm here, my lord. I'm working, my lord. So I want this my prayer, my lord. Because of otherwise, after retirement, my lord, there another problem will create, my lord. Because so, my lord, my very simple prayer.
See, when we are directing them to complete the process within 3 weeks, 3 months, 3 months, then you will be by the time you will be retired.
No, because so I want to show my one the annexer, my this
what you are saying is the date of eligibility of CS promotion from stage to stage. Which stage you are seeking?
Yes, my lord. This my page 87 is the annexer Z, my lord. This is the OM, my lord. Career advancement scheme, my lord.
No, please come to page 74.
74, my lord.
This is what? 74 is what?
This is my lord, the promotion order, my lord. Promotion order, promotion order, my lord. It start from page 64, my lord.
So according to you, the selection grade
This,
stage 2 to stage 3, you have already been
yes, my lord.
promoted.
Yes, my lord. That fixation is not done, my lord. Because the now principle of the college says that my lord, there is one, my lord, rectification is there, my lord. As per my lord, the governing body, my lord, senior grade, my lord, senior grade should be from 2002, my lord. It was reflected 2004, my lord. The annexer F, my lord. So, my lord, that is required to rectify, my lord. So
Page.
Yes, my lord. Page 36, my lord. Department Promotion Committee, my lord. It was, my lord, approved by the governing body of the college, my lord. Further, Dol Pathak senior grade scale of pay recommended to be rectified to 10/9/2002 instead of 4/1/2004, my lord. So, my lord, this from 10/9/2002, my lord, my 5 years will be complete, my lord, 2007. Whatever this promotion was given, my lord, the annexer page 74, my lord. So, the 5 years required, my lord, for selection grade, my lord. From senior grade, my lord, from selection grade was supposed to be, it was count from 2002, my lord. So that it was written, my lord, in earlier, my lord, 2004, my
So
lord.
selection grade of Mr. Pathak is recommended with effect from 10/9/2025. 7.
Yes, my lord.
Otherwise, date of effective will be?
My lord, 4/1/2009, my lord. 9 was, my lord, 9 was the 5 years required, my lord. From 2004, it will be 9, my lord, and 2002, it will be 2007, my lord.
So you are not getting this pay.
My lord, is
Selection grade pay you are not getting.
my lord, that was, my lord, promotion was made by 2022, my lord. Now I am coming after various my representation, my lord, they have not done, my lord. The others already received, my lord. I filed a petition for this fixation of my pay, my lord, which was, my lord, they reflected in page 64, my lord. Page 64, 2009, February 2022, my lord, itself. Principal was directed to submit all documents, my lord. Now the 2000.
By whom?
The director of higher education, my lord. Page 64, director of higher education.
Same grievance.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. This was the promotion, my lord. Promotion 60, page 64 promotion. My promotion was given, my lord.
You have approached this court earlier.
My lord, earlier I approached, my lord. My lord, this is the.
For what?
Yes, my lord. The lordship.
Have you approached earlier?
Yes, my lord. This, my lord, this page 42, my lord. Relevant portion is, my lord, page 49, my lord.
Division bench.
Yes, my lord.
How division bench?
Yes, my lord, because actually the representative was the head of the department, and my lord, because of he's not promoted to associate professor, he was removed from head of the department, my lord. So my prayer was that as well, my lord, that my
What was the prayer in the earlier writ petition?
yes,
Same prayer.
Yes, my lord, from promotion also, my lord. So page 49, paragraph 16, my lord. The appellant petitioner has also urged that his prayer for seeking a direction to the respondent for consideration of his case to the next higher post, along with, although made before the learned single judge was not considered by the single judge. At this stage, counsel for respondent number 4, 5, and 6 fairly submitted that there is no difficulty for the college authority to consider the case of the petitioner along with the other similarly situated candidate. He assured that
this is next higher post. What is the next higher post?
Next higher post selection grade, my lord. Selection grade now in 2022, my lord, it was given, my lord, page 74, my lord. My lord, thereafter, next is, my lord, associate professor. That is also my due, my lord. In 2010 itself, my due, my lord. 2010 itself, my lord.
That's why, sir, I'm asking you first. Your grievance this here is to fix the rectify the
my fixation is, my lord, my prior fixation of my pay scale, my lord. Now, my lord.
First, unless this is rectified, how it can be fixed?
Now, principal, my lord, now they file a affidavit, my lord. The rectification is required, my lord.
But jumping from one
I have not done jumping, my lord.
clear one by one point, how do we decide in that case?
My lord,
You're jumping from one point to another without clearing the.
no, my lordship, may look up.
See, again,
My prayer, my lord, prayer, my lord.
prayer I've seen.
Yes, my lord. Problem is, my lord, when I file liquidation, my lord, at this stage, my lord, when after this liquidation, they now coming with a plea that my rectification is required, my lord. Now, my lord, now rectification is required, but it was resolution was taken 2011 itself, my lord, governing body. It was sent to the director itself, my lord, 2011 itself, my lord. Now, when I'm coming from, when I approached this honorable High Court, my lord, and promotion was made 2022, my lord, that the college authority has not sent, my lord. 2024 days, they send.
Don't blame me in future that this court doesn't understand anything.
My very.
You are not able to tell us the facts first.
Facts, my lord, this is the facts, my lord.
I'm not able to, there's no hidden tail of your fact. You're jumping one from
no,
one,
my lord,
one point from another
I'm
point.
really coming, my lord. First of all, he was, my lord, selection, senior grade professor, my lord. Senior grade assistant professor, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, his selection grade was due, my lord. This is next level, my lord. It was due, my lord, in 2007 itself, my lord. 2007, my lord. So there is a resolution of the governing body for his selection grade, my lord. Annexure F, my lord. My lord, that resolution was approved by 2011 itself, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, this was sent to the college is required to send the same. In the 2011, the DPC says, my lord, the rectification is required because there's a date is it should be 2002, not 2004, my lord. It was 2011 itself. It is indicated. That was also sent, my lord. My lord, thereafter, my lord, that promotion was not given, my lord. I approached the High Court, my lord. High Court also says similarly situated person, if he is, my lord, he also entitled, my lord. Thereafter,
From which to which post?
Selection grade, my lord. I was, my lord, initial senior grade. My lord, this
Direction is only, doesn't say any, the higher post it says.
Yes, my that time, my lord.
What is higher post?
That time I was my assistant professor, my lord. On senior grade. There is 3 stages, my lord. One, my lord, initial, after 6 years, senior grade. Thereafter, my lord, 5 years selection grade, and thereafter 3 years associate professor, my lord. This career advancement scheme, 3 promotions.
See, by now you have been promoted in the senior grade.
Yes, my lord.
You are senior grade now.
Now I am senior grade, my lord.
Or selection grade.
My lord, promotion was given, my lord, but pay fixation was not fixed. Pay was not fixed. Pay fixation was not done.
Now, what is your, are you in selection grade or senior grade?
My lord, promotion was given, my lord, as per page 64, my lord.
Tell us now first.
Selection grade promotion, my lord. I'm
promoted. You are selection grade
yes,
now.
My lord. Yes,
tell us that.
Yes, my lord. I'm telling, my lord. That is, I'm repeatedly telling, my lord.
Then,
my lord, selection.
You want further promotion.
My lord, one thing is fixation is required for the selection grade.
We'll come to fixation later.
Yes. And thereafter, my lord,
Are you want further promotion?
Yes, my lord.
Which one?
It was due, my lord, from selection grade to, my lord, associate professor. It was due in 2010 itself, my lord. So my prayer.
2010.
Yes, my lord.
How?
My lord, this
when you had not been appointed, given the selection grade.
No, my lord, this is the OM says, my page 87, my lord. Page 87 says, my lord. My lord, this page my lord, page, my lord, 88, my lord. Senior lecturer scale will be eligible for placement of selection grade of pay if they completed 5 years continuous service, my lord. Those who might complete as a senior grade, my lord, continuous 5 years, he will be in selection grade, my lord. Page 88, my lord. This only file, my lord, this before that, my lord, page 87 says, my lord, there is no, my lord, UGC some post, my lord, only they are giving, my lord.
Rectification is to be made in which post? Which grade?
My lord?
rectification has to be made in which grade?
My lord, in senior grade itself, my lord, initial, my lord, initial grade, my lord.
So now they are saying that they are rectifying it. For that, since there will be, once it is rectified, there will be a financial implication, right? Therefore, they have referred it to the finance department, the concurrence is awaited. So if they are doing it, if they are saying that they will do it.
My lord, and then my lord, this last occasion, my friend, my lord, submit this.
That's why.
There is order, my lord, he
That's
already
why
completed, my lord.
we say you on your insistence only we fix this matter
No, my
today.
lord, not before that, my lord, before there's an order, my lord.
It's okay, I've seen that.
Yes, my lord. So my humble prayer, my lord, because my lord, this fixation, my lord, part they will get concurrence from the finance department, my lord. My lord, probably, my lord, due to financially that may not be 31st March, it may not be possible, my lord. So my prayer is very simple, my lord. They will take time for 2 or 3 weeks, my lord, for financial concurrence, my lord. As per the last occasion, my prayer, my lord, finished that, my lord. After concurrence, my lord, it was rectified, my lord. So then I'll get the fixed, my pay will be fixed, my lord, as per this promotion, my lord. That is my selection grade, my lord. So selection grade, my lord. So of selection grade, when I am promoted to selection grade, but not I am getting salary as per, because fixation was not done, my lord. So thereafter, my lord, my lord, there is one letter from the college.
Complete your submission. Then come to the letter.
No, I'm showing one letter, which was, my lord, placed before by learned friend, education department, my lord. It was by 9/9/2025, my lord. However, it is to be noted that proposal for placement of assessed scale of pay in respect of Dol Patak has not been submitted by the college authority to this department. It was in record, my lord. So, my lord, it was, my lord, in one case, my lord, I have filed one additional affidavit, my lord. One additional affidavit I filed, my lord, where my lord, paragraph 5, my lord, one, my lord, is.
Sir, we'll heal it on some other day. All right. Since they are undertaking and you are submitting that it will not have a bearing whether you are retired or not. They are doing it. Consequences will follow.
Yeah, that must be clear.
Not Mr.
That is clarified in the order.
SK made learned counsel for the petitioner. And also had Mr. Learned Standing Council, Higher Education Department.
Sonetary info.
Who is respondent number 3?
Honest and respondent.
Respondent number 3, huh? After hearing the learned counsel parties at length, it is noticed that the considering that the respond authorities has endorsed the file to the finance department for necessary concurrence, necessary concurrence. As the fixation of pay in respect of the petitioner would involve financial implications, which is stated to be under process in the Department of Finance, I deem it appropriate to grant further 2 weeks time to the concern to the respondent authorities to get the concurrence of the finance department. Mr. Needless to observe that once the finance concurrence is obtained, the consequential steps or rectifying the, what is the rectifying?
Rectification of my lord,
Rectification of the date of, effective date of,
yes, my lord, effective date, my lord.
effective date of what?
Scale
Senior scale, my lord.
Senior scale.
9/2002 instead of 4/1/2004.
Effective date of senior scale of pay. Grade pay, senior scale of grade pay,
Senior scale of payment.
senior scale of pay,
Yes.
and the fixation of pay would follow.
As well as, my
Would,
lord, as well as a promotion for associate professor, my lord.
Once the
What's
My lord,
the
my lord, that is my
prefixation
prayer,
done?
my lord, because my lord, this is not, they will not.
what I'm saying
Once
is,
the prefixation done, then later.
My lord, yes, my
then we'll say
process.
consequential,
Or-
further consequential entitlement, including the rectification
My lord, as per.
as well as the further promotion
Yes, ma'am.
shall be ensured.
Yes, ma'am.
highly replacement.
This promotion also,
Error, everything is error.
Highly replacement.
But
my lord, on a date, may pay the date, my lord, on 23rd of April, my lord.
23rd. Man is retiring. So 23rd. Yes.
15 on last occasion, although the matter was heard by the court, my lord, the honorable court has directed me to obtain certain instruction, my lord. That instruction I have not received yet, my lord. So in little accommodation is required, my lord, for that.
Huh?
Little accommodation is required, my lord.
Lordship, have a look, lordship's own order, lordship, 35/2025. It will be crystal clear. Already, the selection committee has recommended my name, my lord, and it is pending before the director, my lord.
Yes.
No, that, my lord, has been clarified in my affidavit, my lord.
Now
The
that part,
proposals
let them
sent by the, my lord,
place the instruction first as directed by the.
proposal sent by the college authority has been regretted by the directorate office, my lord. That has been clarified in my affidavit.
তোমাৰ affidavit instruction টো আনা দি আনিব লাগে আকৌ তুমি সোমাব জেঙত সোমালে তুমি নিজে মৰিবা
So you obtain instruction. Affidavit, what do you stand in the affidavit? You have regretted. How?
Petitioner is claiming marks for her experience in the college, my lord. As per OF,
If you have denied him, if he is entitled, if you have denied,
in that view, nothing left in this writ petition, my lord. However, in that view, there is nothing left in this writ petition because the recommendation sent by the college authority has been rejected by the directorate office.
rejected.
Rejected,
no
my lord.
no on the basis of the recommendation made by the selection committee no rejection was made only wrong letter was quoted and it was passed the order but there was no rejection also. It's
Anyway, heard Mr. B. Chetri, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. S. Das, learned counsel for the higher education department, is granted further 2 weeks times to obtain instruction as directed by this court on 06/03/2026. Without fail.
Lordship fixes the date or
After 2 weeks, give the date.
Lordship. I'm sorry, my lord, sometimes it is happening. Otherwise, unless lordship specify the date, sometimes matter goes on, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship knows very well.
No, we're trying to fix it up.
Much obliged, lordship.
What time? So your
My lord.
degree,
My lord.
your PhD,
My lord, yes.
they are saying that it is not
They
recognized.
say, my lord, as per the now prevailing notification, I have to complete it within 2 years. But while I took up this degree, my lord, there, my lord, the notification was of 2009. There it is specifically stated within a reasonable time. I have completed within a reasonable time. That stipulation of completing 2 years has come later on 2014.
When did you did your this PhD?
My lord, it is UP, my lord, Monad University.
When? Which year?
Yes. My lord, in the year 2011. 12. Yes. I entered in 2011, my lord.
Okay, completed in 13.
Yes.
What is the notification relied on is of
My lord, they relied is of 2014, my lord.
okay.
Yes. And there also is a clause saving our degree. Those degree which are already enrolled as per 2009 notification shall not be affected by the subsequent notification.
So 2009 prescribed the reasonable time.
Reasonable time.
Not 2 years.
Not 2.
Yes, Mr.
Time to file everything, instruction.
Or Mr. BK Das. Why all so many?
Same issue, my lord.
They have opted for different
Yes.
university.
Yeah, within the reasonable time, the period is same. As per
Different
2000.
colleges.
Yes.
Different schools, colleges.
Colleges.
No, this working as they are working as
lecturer.
lecturer in different colleges.
Different.
Okay. Same Sokhos notice.
Same. Date is also same.
BK Daslan, counsel for the petitioner. The prayer of Mr. S. Daslan, Standing Counsel, Higher Education Department, and Mr. For his Standing Counsel UGC, further 4 weeks time is granted to obtain an instruction and file their respective affidavits in opposition. Mr. Interim order first, and let's continue.
Obliged, deeply obliged.
What I said, raise for and is granted. Acha.
Obliged.
Contempt case. Let the contempt case come. Dirty. All this contempt.
May it be pleases you, Lordship. This matter is pertaining to contempt case, Your Lordship. Contempt, no? Your Lordship, Your Lordship, here we needed to file our affidavit, Your Lordship. So kindly grant this matter, Your Lordship, after Bihu vacation, Your Lordship will be
On
filing.
appears for the petitioner on call. On the prayer of Mr. MS P. Das, Learned Counsel appearing for Alice contempt number 1. 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit.
Clear calls.
You have filed.
I'm appearing for 5 months.
You have filed your affidavit. You are also appearing. They are also the record are also present. You are not filing anything.
after their proposal, my lord, I will.
Okay.
Deeply obliged.
Come back after 5 minutes.
Supplementary for this, as we said, I have.
Yes. Anil. Yes.
Lordship, in this matter, 42. Lordship, in this matter, I'm appearing, my lord, here, what has happened is that, my lord, we have written to the department. There are two cases, my lord, which, whether it is covered or not, my lord. Therefore, my lord, we seek 2 weeks more time, my lord.
Why?
Because, my lord, there have been two other subsequent developments, my lord. So, we are basically scrutinizing and as well as verifying, my lord. Subsequent to that verification, my lord, we'll.
Is there any other judgment?
One more, my lord, two more judgments. So that's what they were telling, that whether his case is covered or not, and if that is covered, my lord, we'll.
You have been given enough time.
Lordship. My lord, I think 10 days. Because
Say unfortunate.
have been
What is
instructed.
there? You
Mr. Bora,
just.
okay, on his behalf.
Where's Bora? PK Bora.
Some problem, my lord, but we'll ensure that, my lord, it will be done, my lord.
Next week, Lordship, any date, Lordship.
Next week, second
2nd of April, Lordship.
night. 30. First. Second is the last day.
Lordship.
Make it first.
1st of April, Lordship.
Heard Mr. P. Bodole, learned counsel for the petitioners. Petitioners.
Petitioners, Lordship.
Petitioners. On the prayer of Mr. D. Upamani. Sorry, A. Fukan, learned standing counsel, elementary education department. Further, a week's time is granted to verify as to whether the decision of the coordinated bench in the case of Sukumar Sarkar and Sukumar Sarkar by an order dated 12/08/2021 and WPC 8694 of 2018 would cover the case of the petitioner. List the matter as agreed to the parties. Let this matter be listed on 1st April
1st April, Lordship.
027.
Lordship, a observation may be made, Lordship.
We'll see.
Lordship.
There is no relevance, so we'll have to hear on merit.
Lordship.
Let us see. Next.
Oblige, Lord.
There is carrying, I just have to read.
Next, Your Lord.
Yes.
This matter relates to selection and appointment of an assistant professor, Lordship, in a distance and open learning university, that is Krishnakanda Hondir State Open University, Lordship. There are some irregularities while appointing the respondent number 8, Lordship. We have challenged the appointment of respondent number 8 by this petition, Lordship. Actually, this matter once totally hard and fixed for judgment, Lordship. Thereafter, this matter has been released, Lordship, and thereafter the respondent university has been either taking time or they are absent, Lordship. We have already submitted our written submission also, Lordship, with certain case laws also, Lordship. And we have basically selling the appointment date, Lordship, the ODL experience, Lordship.
Which for the other side?
One is KK Henry State Open University, Lordship, where PJ Fukan appeared.
What university?
Not Krishnakanta Hondir State Open University.
Oh, PJ Fukan.
Lordship.
Where he is?
I don't know.
What about the
He's
Tabildar?
Director of Higher Education. It's a
Huh?
formal party, Lordship.
Formal party.
Is the appointed? I mean,
Is also required. Private respondent is also there, Lordship.
Has after the release,
Lordship.
had the notice been gone?
No, they have appeared. They have once or
Private respondent.
appeared on last occasion. They have took time for.
Where are they? Yes.
They have taken time, Lordship, on last occasion. Respondent number 8.
Senior, he is coming. After some time.
PJ.
PJ.
This is the last time. One day is one video, BC. BC is 2 o'clock. This is the last item.
Lordship.
Taken up in the next week or after due petition.
Any date, your lordship may please to grant.
That can be done. Let us see at 2.
At 2. Lords.
Register. If
Obliged.
there is difficulty, we'll see.
Lords.
2.
Obliged.
Matters pertaining to Itanagar bench, orders item 1, IS Civil 71 of 2026.
May I please, your lordship, this is a application, your lordship, for correction in the entry of dates in the judgment and order dated 27/2/2026, lordship, passed in WPC number 311 AP 2025. The relevant portion of the judgment is, your lordship, at page 18 of my IA, paragraph 19, your lordship. That is in the result, the impugned suspension order dated, order number so-and-so, dated 9/3/2024 and order dated 18/10/2024 issued on 21/10/2024 are hereby interfered with and accordingly set aside. The petitioner shall be reinstated in service with all his pay benefits with effect from 19/10/2024, your lordship. My submission will be, lordship, instead of 19/10/2024, it ought to have been 9/3/2024, your lordship, from the date of suspension.
No.
That much only, lordship.
See, till 18,
Lordship.
10 suspension was correct. There's no problem. It was reviewed till 18/10/2024.
Lordship, when the suspension order is already set aside and quashed, interfered by this honorable court, your lordship.
Yes.
So the pay benefit will be entitled from the date of quashing.
This suspension period has to be, if it is within in a valid period, has to be considered by the authority.
No, your lordship, in my opinion, your lordship, it ought to have been 9/3/2024, the date of entry, the date of.
Till 18/10/2024, there was a review. It was valid till 18/10/2024. Is that it?
Lordship, above that, lordship, some review was taken place in time.
Yes, till 18/10.
But when a single review is not reviewed within a period of 90 days, the entire consequential subsequent to the impugned order, even if passed within 90 days, are inconsequential, lordship.
You file an
Prior to that also.
That is against the view of the court. So you file an appeal against this. There is no question of correction.
Lordship, only the.
We'll see. Heard Mr. What do you say?
Lordship, for.
Now, what do you say?
Lordship,
Riram.
I pray that.
Yes, your lordship.
What do you say?
Your lordship, in fact, I'm not well acquainted with this case, your lordship.
Heard Mr. A.K. Singh, learned counsel for the applicant, on the prayer of Mr. Y. Riram, learned state counsel for the respondents, list this matter on 6/04/2026. We'll take
Yes,
it up. All right.
Yes, lordship.
On 6, we'll take it up.
Yes, lordship.
If you
Obligations.
are saying,
Lordship,
if the view of this court is not correct, you file an appeal. Not the.
I'm not saying that about the view, lordship. I'm I'm on the entry of the date, your lordship.
Anyway,
Your lordship knows, your lordship, there are many judgments, lordship, wherein the entire.
no, that this is an application for correction. There will
Yes,
be
your lordship.
a review or the appeal. The way we are good is would be a review or appeal. All right, we'll see on 6th.
Lordship.
Obligation.
Hearing item 33.
Yes.
Okay, in this case, lordship, we have selection and appointment of respondent number 8.
Yes, Mr. Pukon. Are you ready?
Ready, my lord. Almost ready, my lord.
No, if you are ready, it's okay. We'll take it. Unnecessary, we'll hear and we'll not adjourn. If you have difficulty, tell us.
My lord, since my lord, the private respondent,
Who is private respondent?
private respondent number 8. His part would be very relevant, my lord. Yes, okay. My lord, let him argue.
Who is for the private respondent?
Coming.
Okay. Yes.
So here, lordship, we have challenged the selection and appointment of respondent number 8, lordship. That's Krishnakanda Handikyo State Open University, lordship. It's a open and distance learning university, lordship. Wherein the providing education is through distance and open learning, lordship.
Your
This KK Handy State Open University, lordship.
yes.
It's a ODL based university, lordship, that is open and distance learning, lordship. For distance mode, education has been provided, lordship. So now, page 19, annexer 1, lordship, in my petition, an advertisement published, lordship.
Page 19. Page 19.
19, lordship. Annexer 1. Here, lordship, serial number 7. Assistant professor in Assamese, 1 post, lordship.
Krishnakanta Handy State Open University. Yes.
Serial number 7, assistant professor in Assamese, 1 post, lordship. This is the advertisement, lordship.
Which date advertisement?
Page 19, lordship, annexer 1.
No, I've seen it. What is the date of advertisement?
Lordship, kindly take the pen to page number 60, lordship, running page to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent, lordship. That is the detailed advertisement, lordship. Kindly have a look, lordship.
Page?
Page 60, lord.
60.
60, lord. 60, third line, serial number 6, lordship. Assistant professor.
What is the date of the advertisement? I'm asking.
Date of advertisement, lordship. 2010. No, sorry. 14/8/2020, lordship.
Where do you get it? Where do you get it? Date of advertisement.
The actual website it was published, Lordship, it was 14/8/2020. I have specifically mentioned, Lordship. 14/8, 14th of August 2020, Lordship.
20.
Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, kindly got page number 60, Lordship. Is a detailed advertisement regarding the assistant professor. Now, Lordship, kindly have a look at the page 61. This is the desirable qualification. The under heading page 61. Desirable qualification 1, a degree / diploma in distance education or working experience in distance education institution, Lords. This is one of the desirable condition for applying, Lords. But in my case is that, Lordship, the respondent number does not possess at the time of application, it does not possess this ODL experience, Lordship.
What is audial experience? This is essential qualification, master's degree. Then
Page 61, Lordship, desirable qualification.
or B.
Oh.
This is or.
Working experience in distance education institution.
The first essential qualification is page 60.
Lordship.
A.
Essential qualification is
Then or.
Or, Lordship.
Or means what?
This is or, then again this is desirable qualification is different, Lord.
No. Or is part of this B, clause B.
Part A and B for essential qualification, Lord.
No. You see, A and or.
No, assistant professor, essential qualification A, then or B. Then desirable qualification.
Desirable is a part of B only. It's not a separate, it's not C, something like that. And the expression desirable qualification itself indicates.
No, my lord. But
you don't have to have the compulsory.
In the application itself, it was given that.
No, that's why this or is given.
But in the ordinary.
Either of the two.
Lordship. But this is a total different heading, Lord. Essential qualification and desirable qualification, Lord. Essential qualification under that heading A or B. Then desirable qualification.
A is given, the essential qualification. Then it's not C, is it say C?
No, essential qualification, there is no A, B, C marks, Lordship. There will be essential qualification, then A or B. Thereafter, desirable qualification.
Don't think so. Yes.
Here also, this is desirable qualification. There is a qualification mark 1. Degree or diploma in distance education or working experience in distance education. Because this university is a distance and open learning university, Lordship. So this is the desirable qualification projected in the advertisement, Lordship. But my lord, our case is that Lordship, respondent number 8, who has been selected and appointed, did not have those that qualification at that point of time, Lordship.
Desirable qualification is degree, diploma in distance education.
Or working experience in distance education institution.
What he or she had?
Petitioner has working experience in distance education institution, Lords.
You don't have degree diploma, it's not required. Yes.
Second one is adequate knowledge of computer, Lordship. That is different, Lordship, but we are strict only to this degree different certificate.
Rest he or she.
He.
Rest he has.
Lordship.
Only working experience, no working experience
Lordship.
in distance education institution
Lordship.
at the time of
Application, Lordship. And in the
till
selection
the last date of application.
application and in at the time of interview also, Lordship.
Respondent number
8, Lordship.
Yes. Then
Lordship, then again, Lordship, kindly go to the page number 20 of the petition, Lordship. because
page number
20 is there. This is the application submitted by the petitioner, Lord. The system generated application, Lordship, page 21, kindly have a look, Lordship.
Experience of working in Open University. Krishna Kanta Handing Open University.
Lordship. B,
Same university you had.
B, heading B, Lordship, that is experience of working in Open University.
This assistant professor is for handing the Open University.
Lordship.
Okay. Then
Lord, she has the qualification at the point of time of application, Lordship. Again, Lordship, if we go through the application of the respondent number 8, he has not fill up anything in that heading, Lordship. I will show later, Lordship. Because it was in the application affidavit filed by the respondent number 8, Lordship. Then this is the, Lordship, first ground we have taken in the writ petition that does not possess the ODL experience or regarding
therefore he could not have been appointed.
Lordship. And my Lord, for that, Lordship,
Otherwise, his application, how his application was accepted?
that is the question, Lordship. His application has been accepted, shortlisted, and allowed to appear in the interview process, Lordship. And my Lord, another ground.
There are only 2 candidates.
No, my Lord, perhaps 8 candidates. Seven candidates, sorry.
So you stood second.
I stood second, Lordship.
And respondent number 8 is first.
First, Lordship.
As per the merit.
And even, my Lord,
What is the selection list?
With the annexer B is the resolution, and then compilation of marks also I have annexed, Lordship.
It's okay. Merit list, select list.
Annexer B, Lordship. Page 62 of the affidavit in opposition filed by the university, Lordship. Page 62, Lordship.
62.
Lordship. Annexer B.
Member present.
Okay.
Sanjeev Barua.
Lordship.
He's the
Lordship. Serial number 1, Sanjeev Barua is the respondent number 8 hearing, Lordship. So may I point out one thing, Lordship. Can you look? This experience in ODL has been considered while selecting the respondent number 8, Lordship. Can you look? I am reading, Lordship, from the meeting of the selection committee was held on 9/10/2020 at the city center so-and-so at Khanapara. Total 10 candidates were shortlisted and called for interview, out of which 7 candidates appeared in the interview. The committee, after taking into consideration of the academic credential, experience in ODL, Lordship. This experience in ODL was considered while selecting, Lordship. Whereas he does not possess that experience in ODL, Lordship.
Let us see where is his application?
Lordship. Page 139 of his affidavit, Lordship.
139.
Continuing page 139. Heading
Explain the working open your ODL institution number of years. Nil.
nil, Lords.
Blank. Rather blank.
Blank, Lords.
That's all.
But then, my Lord, kindly have a look at the compilation.
Of what?
Compilation of marks, Lords.
So what is the problem? If is this the only your ground?
No, because my Lord, there is a heading, ODL experience, Lordship. But we have given mark in that heading also.
Where it is?
Compilation of marks are given page annexer 6, page 63, Lordship, it starts. Page 64, it was member wise.
64.
64, Lord. Here, after academic qualification heading, there is ODL experience, Lord. There is a heading.
ODL experience.
So he was given marks, Lord. And we will look at last Sanjeev Bora, who's the respondent number 8. He was given marks, Lord.
ODL experience, 2 marks.
2 marks. And thereafter another member.
Who your name, please?
I am serial number 8, Lord.
Sanjeev Bora.
Sanjeev Bora.
So respondent, the marks awarded is 2.
2, then 3, then again 3, 3.
Page
64, Lordship. He is a member 1 I Borthatul, Bhattacharya. Then 65, there is another member, Lordship. 66.
65, how many marks? How much mark?
64, he was given the 3 lots, 65.
3 then?
Then in page 66, he was given again 3 lots.
3 members.
5 members, Lordship.
Then
67 and page number 68, these are university members, Lordship. They have given 3 and 4.
And what about you?
I was given almost 5 Lordship. Page 64, I.K. Bhattacharya given 3. Then another member 5. Then 5. Then university members 5 and 4.
So what's the total marks here? 9, 10, 12.
Lots. It was 5 total marks. ODL experience, there is a total marks of 5 lots.
12, 14. She got 14, he got 14. Yours is 23.
Lots. All total?
I mean 22.
Lots.
14, you're 22.
Yes.
So huge difference. Still then you are number 2.
But my lord, another point I just want to point out, Lordship, page 67. He is the vice chancellor of the university, Lordship. He has kindly have a look at right corner.
67.
67. So there is an overlapping of marks by the vice chancellor himself. Regarding the respondent number 8 marking, interview subject knowledge and critical aptitude. It was signed, but it was overlapped. It was distinct that he was perhaps given 22 marks.
It doesn't make a difference.
I just point out. And my lord, again, Lordship, regarding his appointment, Lordship, kindly have a look at page 72 of the same affidavit, annexer 9. This experience in ODL was considered while his appointment, while appointing him. Lordship.
672.
72, annexer 9.
To consider and approve the recommendation of selection committee.
Lordship. A Lordship, Assistant Professor in Assamese. May I read Lordship? The meeting of the selection committee was held on 9/10 Iman at the city center. Total 10 candidates were shortlisted.
Obviously, they've already given this thing.
Lordship.
That's all.
That's all. And another point is that Lordship, he was at the time of application, he was working in a different.
Where is the appointment order? Where is his appointment order?
I have annexed in my affidavit in reply, Lordship. Can you take this pain, Lordship?
His appointment.
Yes. Was provided to me through
RTI.
RTI.
Where it is?
In the petition also, Lordship.
Huh?
In the petition itself, it was there, Lordship. Page 41 of my petition, Lord. Annexure 11. Sorry, Lord.
That's all.
Another point is that Lordship, at the time of application, Lordship, he was to submit the no objection certificate from the previous employer, Lordship. But he has not submitted that application, Lordship. And in spite of that, Lordship, he was shortlisted, allowed to sit in the interview, and later on, Lordship, he was selected and appointed, Lordship. And the total, Lordship, in my humble submission.
What is it?
No, he is required to submit, Lordship, no objection certificate from the previous employer, Lordship, because
As per the advertisement.
as per the advertisement, it was not there, but in the application and as per rule, Lordship.
Record to submit?
No objection certificate from the previous employer, Lordship, because
Previous employer.
Lordship, at that point of time, he was working as an assistant professor in another college, Lordship.
Where is the rule?
Rule 24 of the Assam College Employees Provincialization Rules 2010, Lordship. I also annexed the circular also, Lordship. Page 44, annexure 13, Lordship. Kindly have a look at that. In my
This is no objection for higher studies applying for jobs, huh?
Lordship.
Then do you have any idea when he has obtained, I mean, when he has submitted that ODL experience?
At the time of interview, he does not possess, Lordship. Even in the application itself, Lordship, it was there.
Yes.
And Lordship, the ordinance of there also they talk about the Lordship ODL experience, Lordship.
Ordinance.
Their ordinance, Lordship.
Ordinance of?
Ordinance of Lordship, KK State Open University ordinances, Lordship.
Yes. What is the relevance? Relevant?
Here also regarding assistant professor, desirable is a degree or diploma in distance education, or secondly, working experience of working.
Where it is? Which clause? Ordinance?
In ordinance number 8, Lordship. Serial number 3, Lordship.
Ordinance number 8, serial number.
Serial number 3.
That's why they have incorporated in the,
Because this is the.
just keep that. Any judgment? Why 8 judgment? Only one. 22-1 SCC 294. Who is the most relevant and the latest? Nearest and latest. Judgment which you are relying.
Actually, I have submitted the written submission.
I have seen it. That's why 8 judgment is required.
Lordship. Because of favoritism also there, Lordship. And
Favoritism. You have not established. You have not said so. What favoritism? How?
yes, Lordship is there, Lordship. Because Lord, university members has given more marks. If your Lordship kindly go through the compilation.
You cannot be, that is.
But Lord, my submission is that where there is a.
On this context, in the present context, in the context of this present case, where is the most relevant one according to you? The judgment which you rely.
ODL experience, I am not submitting it, but kindly look at this recruitment rule has to be followed as per the advertisement, Lordship.
Where it is? Which one? Obviously, that is settled position.
Lordship. This one, Lordship.
In the meantime, you find out, we'll hear the other side. 2013.
1311 SCC 58, page number, Lordship. This one.
Page number 58.
65, Lordship.
You are relying only this.
And others also, Lordship.
Others what?
I am submitting, Lordship.
I've seen it. It's here.
Lordship.
I'm asking is why only 8? Why 8 judgment? All the settled law.
Page 20, Lordship.
You just find out the most relevant and the latest.
Lordship. Lordship.
In the meantime, you find out. Hardly 1 or 2.
Lordship.
At best 3. Not 8 judgment.
Lordship.
This is not required. It's unnecessary.
Lordship. Sorry, Lordship.
Yes.
First, my friend will submit.
No. You are the one who has appointed. See, method is very simple. You have prescribed essential qualification as well as desirable qualification. So as per the application form of the respondent number 8, he has the column where he has to fill up the experience. According to him, he doesn't have the teaching experience of ODL, which is one of the desirable qualification, which is fortified by the his application, where he has kept it blank. Had he had the teaching experience, he would have filled that column. Therefore, still then in the selection, marks were awarded on ODL, teaching experience in ODL. Although lesser mark to the petitioner, it doesn't make any, it is inconsequential whether he's given, he ought not to have been given. That too, when he doesn't have the experience of ODL, was the question of awarding a mark. In fact, he was not eligible to be participated. Shortlisted, but then you could have, or you ought not to have given a mark when he doesn't have the ODL experience. And the qualification, it is settled position of law, is to be obtained on the last date of the advertisement, not thereafter. Even if he had the ODL experience thereafter, after the last date of submission of application, it will not have any bearing. It cannot be counted. Because the last date it is considered to be, on that day only the qualification has to, one has to have the obtain the qualification. That you have to clarify.
My lord, on that aspect, my lord, I take your lordship straight to my additional affidavit, my lord. It's as per direction of this honorable court. Since that ODL experience.
Page.
Page 178, the last affidavit.
Additional affidavit.
Additional affidavit. As per direction of this honorable court.
One.
170.
Okay. Additional affidavit. One 178. Yes.
Prior to that, the marking column, my lord, is 66. Or page 64, my lord, 64 onwards. 64, 65, 66, 67, and 68. Total 5 examiners. Page 64, Miller, kindly come to ODL experience, column number, marks 5 in the middle portion, Miller. ODL experience, total marks 5, page 64.
Page 64, yes.
Miller.
ODL experience.
ODL experience, total marks 5. And the next one, SLM in ODL, total marks 5. In ODL experience, Miller, the column, serial number 8, Runmoni Bora Fukon, the writ petitioner. She got 3. And in SLM in ODL, she got 5. In contrast, Miller, serial number 10, Sanjeev Bora, the private respondent number 8, selected candidate. He got ODL experience marks 2. But in SLM in ODL, he got 0.
What is this? What is SLM?
SLM in ODL, that is, Miller, the test, knowledge, trial, experience, as per Chambers Dictionary, Miller, that SLM in ODL column, sorry, Miller, that ODL experience is the test, trial, and experience, Miller, in ODL, the first column. And SLM in ODL, that is documentary evidence. You have to produce the experience certificate, right, in ODL.
So working experience, distance education institution.
Yes.
Huh?
Distance education.
ODL means what?
Miller, the open distance learning. So in open distance learning experience, he got 2. It's not based on documentary evidence. But in SLM in ODL, since he has not got any ODL experience, so he got 0.
No, see. ODL experience is what? What do we say about ODL experience?
I have to
The
find that.
requirement is working experience in distance education institution. Distance education institution, ODL, experience is not only just experience and working experience.
As per my affidavit,
No, just wait. First, you come to page 17. 61. What is the requirement? A degree and diploma in distance education, or, so we're concerned about this.
Distance education institution.
Working experience.
Desirable, not essential, Miller. Two different headings, Miller. The first one, essential qualification. It has been given in earlier page 60, Miller.
That I've seen.
Essential qualification. One should
have that essential qualification before going through the selection process. Must have. But that desirable qualification, it is not essential. So one may not have that experience certificate in ODL. So
Even if he doesn't have any working experience,
then also he can
he is
participate.
eligible.
Yes, Miller.
So now come to page 64.
Regarding that,
What is ODL? Explain what is SML in ODL?
ODL experience, that is in the interview process, he will have to show the the test, the trial, the experience regarding that ODL. It does not depend upon any certificates, any
Your requirement is working experience.
next column, Miller. SLM in ODL.
What does it mean?
Self-learning material
Hmm.
in ODL. That is based on the certificates and other documents, Miller. It
That
will be
means what?
clarified. It will be clarified by my additional affidavit.
No, I just first we would like now to know from you. ODL experience you have given awarded mark.
Yes.
On what basis? When
he-
he doesn't given anything. No.
My additional affidavit will clarify the position, Miller. Otherwise, Miller, I won't be able to, Miller, to clarify the position right now, Miller. If your lordship goes through those, Miller,
So SML is self-learning
material
in ODL. So he is zero.
Zero.
No marks has been awarded.
So zero.
Therefore zero.
Zero.
All.
Next page also zero. 5, Miller, examiners, everyone gives him 0. But regarding the first column, ODL experience. Experience means test as per Chambers Dictionary. So he will have to go through that test, that interview process, whether he is accustomed to that ODL arena. That is ODL experience, which would be clarified by my additional affidavit. That is why earlier occasion, this honorable court directed me to clarify those 2 columns. Now, if I take your lordship straight to page 180 of my additional affidavit.
The reported backstreet state regarding the column of SLM in the ODL. SLM records
self-learning material course. Material prepared by the university for defined academic programs, commonly referred to as course book in open and distance learning ODL mode. 2. SLM for open and distance learning mode means and includes contents in the form of course material, whether print or in e-form, which is inter alia self-explanatory, self-contained, self-directed at the learner, and amenable to self-evaluation, and enables the learner to acquire the prescribed level of learning in a course of study, but does not include textbooks or guidebooks. Next page, 181. Subpara 3. One SLM is created for each course divided into 14-15 units, with each unit resembling a chapter of a book. 4. The university invites college, university teachers and scholars to contribute by writing these units. 5. Upon approval by the Vice Chancellor, the Dean Academic Branch issues formal letters to content writers, content contributors, writers of the unit. 6. The names and designations of content writers, content contributors are listed in the SLM contributor section of the material. 7. The content writers, content contributors engaged for tasks related to course development, such as writing, contributing to self-learning materials, are compensated on a payment basis for their specific assignments. Now it is important, Miller. Subpara 8. Regarding that column, Miller. The explanation of that heading. The interview score sheet contains a marking column for SLM in ODL, the second column, Miller, where marks are awarded based on documents submitted and verified by the selection committee. It is based on documents submitted and verified by the selection committee. Now, para 5. This is the, my lord, regarding the second column, SLM in ODL.
Yes.
It is based on documents. Now para 5. Regarding the other column, the first column, ODL experience. This deponent humbly states as regards the ODL experience column in the score sheet herein under that. 1. ODL refers to open and distance learning, which signifies the education system as adopted by the open universities. Next page 182. Subpara 2. Open and distance learning mode means a mode of providing flexible learning opportunities by overcoming separation of teacher and learner using a variety of media, including print, electronic, online, and occasional interactive face-to-face meetings with the learners or learner support services to deliver teaching learning experiences, including practical or work experiences. 3. It is important, my lord. The word experience indicates practical contact with an observation of facts or events and is not limited to formal employment or tenure, but broadly encompasses exposure and familiarity with the domain. Further, as per the Chambers 20th Century Dictionary, the word experience denotes taste, trial, experiment. 4. The marking column.
That's right. That's why you need an work experience. Because it's experience means what? Test, trial, and experiment.
Test. Trial, second. Third one, experiment. So we could focus upon that word test and 2 words, test and trial. That will clarify that heading, my lord.
Are you saying that he has the experience, working experience?
My lord, para 4 and 5, my lord, that will clarify, my lord. The marking column for para 4, ODL experience in the interview context refers to the candidate's knowledge and understanding of ODL education systems. Knowledge and understanding, including their intricate aspects, delivery methods, and functionings, assessed through oral questionings. It is not documentary evidence, my lord. Assessed through oral questionings. Marks under the ODL experience column are awarded based solely on the candidate's performances in viva voce and their responses during the interview. 5 is also important, my lord. No pre-submitted documents, certificates, or evidence are required or considered for this marking column, as the evaluation is entirely interview-based. So the ODL experience column indicates the performance before the interview board regarding his knowledge about that ODL system, and the other column, SLM in ODL, it entirely depends upon the certificates, experience certificates. The 2 vital difference. So in that second column, all the 5 examiners give him 0, and in the first column, sometimes 2, sometimes 1, sometimes 3. It varies.
So according to SLM is a working experience.
Yes, SLM in ODL.
SLM is a working experience.
Yes, my lord. Working
SML,
experience, that
SML
should be
is synonyms with the working experience.
That should be based on certificates, my lord.
That's what I'm saying. According to SLM experience, SLM ODL is considered or synonyms with the working experience. Therefore, you have not awarded any marks. ODL is something different, which you want to test.
Test, trial, experiment.
It's an understanding of the ODL.
Through oral questionings.
So it has got nothing to do with the working experience.
No.
So working experience, according to you, what do you call it?
Self-learning material in ODL. So he will have to prepare SLM, then a certificate will be given to him, and that will be produced before the interview board. And accordingly, interview board will give the mark.
That he has an working experience.
If he has got that experience certificate.
No, SLM Are you saying that it is equivalent to working experience?
Yes.
That is what you are saying?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Sure. My affidavit is clear, my lord. He will have to, my lord, some experience regarding that SLM in ODL.
That is called working experience as required under the desirable the qualification. So therefore, according to you, no marks was given because he doesn't have the working experience. That is what you are saying.
Yes. That is the stand of the university. And only on that aspect, my lord, on earlier several occasions, since this honorable court could not, my lord, go further, my lord. So I've been directed to explain those two columns. And in earlier selection processes also, my lord, in the university, my lord, this system, my lord, follows.
Apart from that,
My lord.
it is not required, according to you, it is not required to have a working experience as because it's not an essential qualification, it's just a desirable qualification. That is your stand.
Yes.
Therefore, you have categorized two experience. One is SLM, other one is
ODL.
ODL.
No, ODL experience.
ODL experience and SLM ODL. SML ODL. So SML ODL is synonymous or as good as or akin to working experience. Therefore, no marks was given because it doesn't have the working experience. But then ODL is to test
Before
the knowledge of his the knowledge of the ODL.
So it varies from examiner to examiner. Sometimes he got 2, sometimes 3, sometimes 1. So total 5 examiners, my lord.
So 5 examiners, they have not given any marks on ODL, SLM, SML.
SLM in ODL. In that, my lord, column, only 0, my lord.
Can I show something, anything that it can be considered or synonyms with the SLM? Sorry, working experience.
My affidavit, my lord.
That's all.
That's all, my lord.
Other than the affidavit?
It has not been controverted by my learned friend, my lord.
Okay.
So, my lord, since, my lord, it's in affidavit, my lord, so, and not controverted. So, this honorable court will have to, my lord, accept.
Okay. That's all.
That's all. And regarding other NOC and other aspects, my lord, I think, my lord,
so
not be required. If regarding NOC, I'll have to explain.
Circular, they say the NOC has to should have been submitted. No NOC.
Lord, kindly turn to page 25, my lord.
20?
25. Page 25. Page 25, running page 69. The undertaking. On the basis of this undertaking, my lord, we have allowed him to take part in the selection process. Shri Sandeep Bora, candidate for the post of assistant professor in Assamese in the KK Hendik State Open University, against the advertisement number so and so, while seeking your permission to allow me to appear before the interview, would like to state the following. 1. I have been working as assistant professor in Assamese in the Pragyutis College since 2020. Since my job is yet to be confirmed at the Pragyutis College, it is important, my lord. His job has not been confirmed, my lord. Only 7 months, few days. At the Pragyutis College, I am fully aware that my application to the KK Hendik State Open University cannot forward it through proper channel. Therefore, I have informed the college authorities only verbally that I am applying for this post without any NOC. Therefore, I have applied and am appearing in this interview in my individual capacity and shall resign forthwith from the post of assistant professor in Pragyutis College in case I am selected and appointed for the post of assistant professor in Assamese at KK Hendik State Open University.
Same date of interview. Same date of interview, 9-10.
9-10. Since, my lord, Rule 24, though it indicates regarding NOC, it is applicable to the employee my lord, permanently absorbed in the sanction post. Since he is in the probationary period, and that probationary period is 2 years, my lord, and he spent only 7 months, few days in practice college. So NOC is not required for a probationary, my lord, lecturer. My lord,
Does it say?
Rule 24.
Of what?
Education code আছে.
Rule 24 of?
Assam College Employees Provincialization Rules 2010. It has been relied upon by my learned friend, my lord. But this Rule 24, may I read, my lord?
Assam?
Assam College Employees Provincialization Rules 2010. It is of 2010, my lord. Interestingly, UGC regulation of 2018 does not insist upon that NOC. It is almost like that desirable qualification. Essential and desirable. Rule 24. No objection certificate for higher studies and applying for jobs. The governing body shall issue no objection certificate to the college employees. It is important, Lord, that word, college employees. I will go to the definition of employee a little bit later, Lord. No objection certificate to the college employees for applying for admission to course of higher studies and for other jobs. Now kindly turn to Rule 13, Lord. Rule 13.
No objections. The government shall issue no objection to the college employees for applying for.
That's for college employees. Now Rule 13. Probation and confirmation. Subject to availability of a permanent vacancy in the respective cadre, a person appointed on direct recruitment shall be placed according to seniority on probation against the permanent vacancy for a period of 2 years before he is confirmed. So before confirmation, he will have to go through that probationary period of 2 years. And he spent only 7 months the earlier employment at Prague College. And
But your appointment is regular, permanent appointment.
But my appointment has not been confirmed.
No, it doesn't make a difference.
And that employee definition, my lord. Assam College Employees Provincialization Act 2005. Section 2B, my lord.
2005?
Section 2B definition. 2005.
Where it is?
College Employees Provincialization Act 2005.
Assam. Page.
This is earlier, my lord, 288 in my edition. This third edition.
Yes. 2B.
Employee means an employee of a college, both teaching or non-teaching, appointed substantively against a sanction post. So he is still in the probationary period. He has not been confirmed.
But then appointed.
He has not been granted by the college authority.
Appointed substantively, confirmation provision doesn't make a difference.
Against a sanction post.
Appointed substantively on a sanction post, that's what number 8.
But since
the employee,
since he has not been confirmed, so NOC is not granted by the college, my lord, authority.
It's not.
So that is why ultimately he resigned from that post before joining this university.
Obviously, before, how can he join without resignation? But then I don't agree with this. Just because he was a professor, it says clearly Employee means an employee of a college, both teaching or non-teaching, appointed substantively against a sanctioned post. He was a substantively appointed. Probation is something different.
My lord, since my lord, in one way, my lord,
he was appointed on a sanctioned post.
Sanction post, but he was in probationary period.
Obviously, all are probationary.
I will show from FR and SR, my lord, that. But I
You
will,
don't need to. FRSR is not required.
and it will, my lord, regarding that irregularity, my lord, that can be condoned by the authorities concerned.
Which
as
one?
per division bench judgment. If there is an irregularity, my lord, not illegality, there is a vast difference between illegality and irregularity. If he doesn't have that essential qualification, then it would be termed as illegality. But regarding that NOC, which has not been insisted upon by the UGC regulation, as well as the, my lord, university, my lord, rules and act, my lord. So, my lord, it is at most, my lord, it is to be considered as desirable, my lord. And since he has resigned before joining, so it may be termed as irregular, my lord. An irregular appointment can be condoned as per division bench judgment. I may go with the, may I place that judgment? That
Not relevant.
is under discussion of the.
Not relevant.
So regarding that NOC aspect, my lord, my submission will be, it is a desirable condition, not essential condition, and it is not insisted upon by the UGC regulation. After 2018, my lord, NOC is not required, my lord. After 2018, my lord, that NOC is not required, my lord. It is 2010 regulation, my lord. That is superseded by the UGC regulation, and that is confirmed by the Apex Court in Gambhidan case, my lord, 2022. May I place that Gambhidan case, my lord?
But it says that NOC is not required.
No, my lord. Regarding not NOC, regarding NOC aspect, my lord, it is silent, my lord. But UGC regulation would be mandatory for all appointments in the college and universities since 2018, 18 July.
What is this regulation?
UGC regulation, my lord.
Have you annexed?
My lord, it is not annexed, but it is in the advertisement, my lord.
Should be as per the regulation.
Yes, my lord.
2018 regulation.
Yes, my lord.
So it doesn't provide any requirement of NOC.
No.
So therefore, this requirement of NOC is also not mandatory.
Not mandatory, my lord.
By of direct in the provincial college cannot claim relation in the matter of that. The governing body can decline the commission of NOC if they think that they exist.
61, my lord. Since the advertisement is a public document, my lord, publicly, my lord, advertised, my lord. So in the second line, my lord, it is as per UGC regulation 2018. Regarding NOC requirement, my lord, 2010 regulation of the state government. But as per 2018 UGC regulation, it is not mandatory, it is not required. Page 61, my lord. The opening line of the advertisement.
61?
Page 61.
Where it is?
First two lines, my lord. Academic score as specified in Appendix 2, Table 3A for universities and Appendix 2 for colleges of the UGC Regulation 2018 shall be considered for shortlisting of the candidates. So he has been shortlisted, my lord, as per this UGC Regulation, Appendix 2 and 3.
What is Appendix 2 and 3?
Table, sorry, my lord, Appendix 2, Table 3A and Table 3B.
Where it is?
এখন লৈ যাওক।
This is university.
Effective from 18 July 2018.
Graduation, prosecutor, MPhil, PhD, NET, JER, NET, SLH.
Milord?
Here.
Yes, Milord. Assistant professor in the university. Regarding NOC, regulation is silent. Milord. So it is not mandatory or essential. Milord.
Yes.
Aspect, Milord, that is the stand of the university. And these two aspects, Milord, I think my learned friend is insisting upon, Milord. And regarding that biasness aspect, Milord, as per Apex Code, Milord, it should be real likelihood of biasness, Milord. He will have to establish it. That is my submission. Most obliged.
Any judgment? No.
Regarding that Gambhirdan, Milord, and Kaime Bobby, may I please?
So far as the regulation is concerned, it's not, UGC is no dispute. It's not required.
It's mandatory for all universities and colleges of the Milord country, Milord. And regarding that division bench judgment, regarding if there is an irregularity that can be condoned, Milord. The division bench judgment, may I please, Milord?
Kime Bobby.
Kime Bobby, Milord.
Arunachal case.
Yes.
Just give it. Just give it.
Listen.
Yes.
This one.
Supreme Court judgment. You just.
Regarding irregularity, Milord, is Mamta Mohanty case, 2011 3 SCC 436.
2011
3 SCC 436.
436. Pera.
Para 37 to 41, Milord.
Kime Bobby.
Kaime Bobby.
Kime, not Kaime.
Milord, last 4 paragraphs, Milord, 27 onwards. Particularly 28 and 29 paragraph. Several Supreme Court cases have been discussed, Milord. Ultimately, this paragraph 28, Milord.
Okay. Yes.
Another one. West Bengal Central School Service Commission and others, 2019-18 SCC, page 39.
For what?
Milord,
2019,
volume 18 SCC, page 39.
Para
30, 31, 32. Regarding, Milord, the decision-making process, Milord. Milord,
not required.
most obliged.
Page, next 15, page 161.
161. 161. Yes.
The principal Boys College, regarding NOC lordship. Regarding NOC lordship, that I sought for NOC, it was denied to me on the ground that I was under probation period for 6 months. It's not that I have not applied for NOC, I have applied for NOC.
Which one?
It's first priority. In the same day, I had informed you that on 27 August 2020, privately, I telephoned privately regarding no business certificate and experience certificate for application to the post of assistant professor in the Department of SMS at Krishnagandha Open University. I believe that you must have remembered that at that point of time, I had completed 6 months in college. Therefore, it was informed to me that no such certificate can be issued from the college. In the said conversation, we have stated that if it is possible to apply with NSC, then you can apply. Thereafter, on 29 August, I have, without having NOC, an experience certificate, applied for a post of post and having conversation with you, and at that point of time, applied in the interview. And then I was selected therefore, and I have submitted the undertaking regarding NOC to the university.
This 16/11/2020.
Yes, sir.
Representation. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Resignation letter.
Yes, sir.
So
I have said everything also in details also regarding my NOC.
you have asked for, but you have not been granted.
Thereafter, I was forced to resign from the post of.
When did you ask for first?
31 October.
Exam was 9th. Interview was 9 October.
First.
I had informed you on 27 August, 20 August, September, verbally telephonic regarding no objection certificate and experience report application. So telephonically you asked that, how can you say so?
COVID was going on.
Huh?
COVID was going on. COVID.
2019, 20.
Therefore, no college was open. They had to inform through phone.
Then what of the working experience? Why you kept it blank?
You know, experience, I don't have experience, that's true.
Huh?
But also, I've been given much in experience, ODL.
No, you have kept it blank?
Yes, sir.
So far as the experience, work experience is concerned in ODL, right? Rest you subscribe.
Also in experience also. So no marks is given to me. And regarding ODL, as if that was where questions were put forward before the candidates regarding open distance learning.
So are you saying that the SLM is
working experience
for working
certificate.
experience? So where you have not been,
Yes.
You don't have the working experience.
But
ODL is something which they have
that was questions put
to I mean, verify your this thing, knowledge on the ODL. They have formulated this.
Therefore, I was given marks.
So you admit that there is no ODL. So and if the advertisement is required, then you should have the experience, work experience. Then whatever that, it clearly provides that for desirable qualification, you must have a work experience. What do you say on this? Huh?
That I don't have.
You're admitting that
In my application also.
you kept it blank.
I've not suppressed anything also.
See, what he has said is, university has said the essential qualification is mandatory, but desirable itself is a qualification. Whether you have that or not, it's just a desirable. So it is not mandatory, even if you don't have experience. That is what they said. Any judgment? Okay. Yes.
Regarding non-controverting their additional affidavit, Lordship.
Huh.
Regarding experience and marking given on that ODL experience, Lordship, I will insist on their ordinance. That is totally different context, Lordship, that it was working experience. And the term next part, it is knowledge in computer, Lordship. Knowledge and working experience is totally different as per ordinance, which they have made by their own.
No, what they are saying is SLM is considered to be a working experience, which he doesn't have. Therefore, no marks were awarded. But ODL experience is something different, which they want to have that to verify the experience as regard the ODL, not the working experience. So they are admitting that he doesn't have the working experience. Therefore, SLM he was not given any
But
marks.
it was working experience.
Therefore, he was not awarded the marks, right? Only ODL experience he has given marks, not the SLM. So what they say, they have explained in the additional affidavit.
But I am not controverting because, my lord, the advertisement itself says that it is working experience. And thereafter, their ordinance also saying that it is working experience.
Yes, now they said that SLM, they have divided into two experience, ODL experience. One is SLM, it is akin to or synonymous with the working experience. Therefore, no marks, he doesn't have the working experience, so marks was not given.
But look, SLM is totally different. SLM is study and learning material.
That is what they are saying.
In the form of book, lords. This is SLM. And working experience is different, ODL experience. ODL experience is in the form of working experience. And look, kindly go through the 139 page number of the affidavit of the respondent number 8. Here, lordship, experience of working in open university, ODL institutions, number of years, lordship. It is in the application itself, lordship. Number of years, lordship.
Therefore, they say that he doesn't have the experience. Therefore, no marks were given.
Marking, lordship, they have.
Marking is only ODL, which they have explained. ODL experience is not a working experience.
Based on, they have said that on the basis of Viva Voci, lords. Then kindly will heading interview subject knowledge. This is the heading for Viva Voci. It is totally different. It is regarding ODL experience on the basis of ODL experience. That is working experience. And SLM is ODL is, this is writing books, lordship. This is called study and learning material. This is in the form of book. And the petitioner has written various content in the form of SLM.
Assuming that
there is other works also.
Assuming that we accept your submission, they said it doesn't have any bearing. It's just a desirable experience. Only mandatory is that is the column clause A. If you have that, doesn't whether you have this experience, desirable qualification or not, they are eligible.
But working experience is in the form of number of years, lordship. And
they said number of years, since he doesn't have that thing, so no marks was awarded.
Cannot be given, lordship. So
except the ODL.
ODL experience.
ODL, he said this is something different. It's not a work experience.
But it is written.
ODL means what? ODL is
distant learning experience. That is in the
requirement is working experience.
Experience
in the ODL.
Experience is mentioned in the ordinance and in the application itself that it is working experience.
They say he doesn't have. Therefore, no marks were awarded.
Then this is
only the mark awarded was on ODL experience, which is considered to be a kind of the experience in knowledge. Without there being any working experience.
But there is no.
See, there are two different things, right? Working experience and the knowledge and experience about the ODL is two different things.
Regarding computer, they have mentioned knowledge in computer, but they have not mentioned that experience in computer. Your knowledge and experience is totally different. And regarding lordship NOC, kindly have page 21 or 23 lordship of my writ petition. This is general information. Those that are already in service shall have to apply for personnel.
Page 23.
23 general information number 1.
What is it? Declaration.
And yes, general information. Below that, general information.
Follow the.
And then 24 lordship, it is their own interview calling letter. Second paragraph, last 3 lines, lordship. employed candidates are required to produce a no objection certificate from his or her employer in original at the time of interview.
Where it is?
Page 24, Annexure 3, interview calling letter, Lordship. Their document.
Employed candidates are required to produce no objection to promise or employer in original at data.
And my judgments are these, Lordship. 3 judgments I am referring. 2013 11 SCC 58, Lordship. 1, 2, and 3, Lordship. Chain number 1.
Just work. 2003
11 SCC 58. Second, 1993 supplementary 3 SCC 168 and AIR 2022 SC 1310.
AR 22
SC 1310.
Para
Paragraph 8, page 30, Lordship.
Para
8, Lordship.
in air
Oh, Lordship. No, sorry.
air para 38
No, sorry. 59, Lordship.
para 59
Lordship.
in air 22.
Sorry, Lordship. Page 26. 1315, Lordship. That's all, my lord.
Two 2013 it is para 20. 1993 para 11. 2022 para 9. Yes, heard.
Lordship.
Hmm.
Obliged, Lordship.
Lord, page 151. For NOC before interview on 27/8/2020, page 151.
Oh, telephone.
My lord,
Over telephone.
NOC and experience are on 27/8/2020 for applying for the post of
Tele-
verbally.
Telephonic.
COVID period was there. And regarding page 23 and 24, there may be misinterpretation of the my lord, sentences. Page 23, general information. The last one. Discussion
Those
has been
that are
given to the
already in
university.
service shall have to apply to a proper channel. Huh?
Last one.
University.
Candidates based on merit amongst the applicants. So we have followed the UGC regulation. So we have the discretion to shortlist the candidates. And accordingly, we have shortlisted the private respondent number 8. And next page, 24. My learned friend, relying upon the last sentence, Employed, page 24, my lord. Employed candidates are required to produce NOC from employer in original at the time of interview. My lord, kindly see the dated 29/9/2020. It is much after the interview and after the shortlisting process is over, my lord. This call letter has been issued, my lord.
How can this be?
My lord,
How can this be?
on 29/9/2020.
Ah,
Already he has been shortlisted. So maximum, my lord, it can be regarded as an irregularity regarding that NOC aspect, my lord, not illegality.
but
Since, my lord, it is not
you could have
insisted upon by the EGC regulation.
you could have submitted judgment on desirability. Desirable.
Since, my lord, there are two distinct categories. One is essential, another desirable.
You could
EGC
have
regulation
you
is
could
also
place it that you said that since it is desirable, it's not mandatory.
to separate distinct, my lord, categories. So, my lord, I have not, my lord, put forwarded any judgments, my lord. If I may be allowed, my lord, then
We'll go by literal thing in that case. You find out.
my lord, I will, my lord, definitely, my lord, place the judgments. At least, my lord.
Heard, Mr.
R. Fukan.
R.
R. Fukan.
R. Pukan, non-counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Mr.
PJ Fukan
PJ
for
Pukan, learned standing counsel.
Handy State Open University.
KKKSU, huh? KKH.
So you.
Huh? University for respondent number?
126.
126. 6, 7 and 8. 7 and 9, Mr. A.R. Tabildar, standing counsel, higher education, and Mr. S.N. Borwa, learned counsel for the respondent number 8. Judgment, a hearing concluded, judgment reserved. In the meantime, you may place. Or should we fix it on Monday so that you can place it?
On Tuesday, my lord.
Tuesday, huh?
Well, this is
Then
the appointment letter of the respondent number 8 in the prejudicial lordship.
It's okay. They are not disputing it.
Lordship.
They were there. They have brought on record. They were there working as on not confirm and all this. They have brought on record. Of only to any relevant judgment he would like to, because it is important. Essential reliability. Huh?
On Tuesday.
Tuesday. We'll say in that case. We'll just say in that case, matters remains part heard, huh? List it. List on
Tuesday.
31. 31/03/20. Only to submission and not for argument. All right.
Obliged, Lordship.